Video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the eBay auction listing template that you have bought from an eBay listing. In order to edit this eBay auction listing template, you need two softwares. One is 7-zip that will be used to unzip the package I will be providing, and another one is Tagbot. Tagbot is a free software that you can use to edit the templates that have been tagged with Tagbot software. So first of all, just unzip the package with the 7-zip folder, and then download this Tagbot template automator and install this software. As soon as you're done with the installing Tagbot software, open it up, and you can see there are three main tabs on the screen of the software: markup, edit, and export. You will be interested in these two tabs, edit and export. But before that, we need to open up the file, template file that we need to edit. In your zip package, package that you have been provided, there is a file called ebay.tpl. If you have unzipped it, just open it from the location you have stored it. I have this file here, but you will have to navigate to the folder where you have unzipped your package. Open up ebay.tpl. As soon as it is loaded, this link over here will become active. Now it is active. See, it is now showing in black color. Once it is loaded, click the edit tab, and you can see there are so many options it is providing you that you can change. Like, you can change the store name, you can change the top navigation links, link itself, titles. I show you in the demo. See, this is the area I'm talking about. You can edit the links or the titles themselves, and then you can, if you scroll down a bit, you can also change the slider images. Up to 6 images I have provided in this template. You need to upload the image to the free image hosting websites like imageshack.com or photobucket.com. Once you upload, just update those links here. Then you can also update description box title, subtitle, text, and in the same way, payment box title, payment box text, shipping box title, shipping box text, policy box title, policy box text. It is policy box text, guys. I'm sorry, it is saying title here, but it is text. One more thing I want to show you is how, if the text is more than that can fit in this box here, it will show you these scroll bars. So if you want to see the full text, you will need to click this magnify icon here, and it will show you. So right now I have opened frequently asked questions box. I want to show you one thing. Say if you want to add more question to it, I will just copy this HTML here by using Ctrl+C and then paste it, and then update the text. I will write down here question 4 and answer 4 here. So this is how you edit the box itself. Click OK, and I will show you one more thing. Say if you want to change the store name to JJ's Store, I will write down here JJ's Store. Once you are done with editing all the fields, all the required fields, you need to hit save in order to make changes saved. Click yes, and you are done. Now rest you have to do is to copy the code and paste it into the detail box of the eBay's new listing. When you create new listing, in the detail box you have to put that code. So in order to do that, I will hit export. This is the code, updated code. So I'll hit copy it will select whole text, but you will have to use Control plus C in order to copy it. So press Control plus C to copy it. Go to your eBay auction listing. I have already created this listing here, so I'll just be revising it just to give you a demo. I will scroll down a bit and come to the detail box, and then I'll select whole text and use Control plus V to paste the updated text we have got from the Tagboat software. Once you do that, click preview in order to generate preview. And see, it has updated the templates store name to JJ store. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see we have added fourth question, and it is here. But if you look at the demo, we just have 3 questions, but because we added fourth question while editing template, so it is now showing you the fourth question as well. So this is how you can easily update your eBay auction listing template. You can update store name, links over here, this text, this text, titles here, categories, and then store pages. So this is all about updating your eBay auction listing template, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video tutorial, and hope this is very useful for you in order to update your template. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Thanks.